Welcome back to today's DIY tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make 3 super cute pipe cleaner hair clips, perfect for beginners. Don't worry about the materials. I've listed everything you need in the description box below. Let's start with the puffy flower design. Take 3 pink pipe cleaners and cut them in half. With 1/2 piece. Wrap it around a pen about 7 millimeters thick, making 4 loops. Twist the ends together to secure it. Slide the loop off the pen. Make sure the small tail points straight down. Repeat this step until you have 5 petals. Now, take half a pipe cleaner and thread all the petals together. Twist tightly into a circle. Trimming off any extra length. Hide the twisted ends inside the petals. Flip it over and trim the small tails flat. Next, take a purple pipe cleaner. Measure it at 9 centimeters. Wrap the pipe cleaner around your finger to form a coil. This will be the flower center. Measure another 9 centimeters. Trim off the fuzzy part underneath so it stays neat. Insert the coil through the middle of the petals. Using a toothpick, curl the trimmed piece into a spring shape. This step takes some patience. I didn't speed this up, so feel free to take your time. Tuck it between the petals. Stretch the spring slightly. Pinch the petals together to make them look more natural. Repeat pinching until the flower holds its 5-petal shape. Now, let's add to leaves by twisting pipe cleaners on each side. Trim and shape them nicely. Use the leftover pipe cleaner at the bottom to create a round base. This makes it easier to glue onto the clip. Take a 3.5 centimeters hair clip. Add a little hot glue. And wrap a green pipe cleaner around it. Finally, glue the puffy flower onto the clip. And you're done. How cute is that? For the second design, let's make a sweet little bow. Take one pipe cleaner in your favorite color. Wrap it 4 times around a pen about 1 centimeter thick. Twist the 2 ends together to hold it in place. Slide it off the pen. Take the longer end and pass it through the loops. Now we'll shape the bow's tails, also known as the ribbons. Measure about 3 centimeters and fold it down. Twist following the technique in the video. Fold the leftover piece back through the center to secure. You can also add a drop of hot glue if needed. Pinch one side of the loop gently to create a teardrop shape. Pull the loops slightly apart so the bow looks fuller. Repeat the same process on the other side. Once both sides are shaped, glue them together. Add a small bead in the middle for a finishing touch. You can now glue the bow onto a hair clip, and just like that, your cute bow clip is ready. For our last design, we'll make a mini heart. Take one purple pipe cleaner and measure 7 centimeters with a ruler. Bend it at that point. Gently push the sides outward to create a curve. Repeat the same on the other side so both are even. Pull the ends downward to form the bottom of the heart. Adjust the symmetry, this is important to keep the shape pretty. Take the shorter end and hook it around the longer end to secure. Remember, the key is to keep the top corners nice and rounded. Once you're happy with the frame, fold the longer end upward and wrap it once around the heart's top center. Fold it down the other side and wrap it at the bottom point to lock it in place. Trim any excess. Now take another pipe cleaner and follow along with the video to fill the heart shape. I slowed this part down, so take your time. It does require patience. Keep adjusting as you go until the heart is fully filled in. Repeat the same process on the other side. Once finished, tweak the shape so it looks neat. Next, let's add a small bow in the center of the heart. Glue a bead in the middle of the bow for detail. Take a 3.5 centimeters clip, add hot glue, and attach the heart. And that's it, your adorable mini heart hair clip is complete. Thank you so much for crafting with me today. I hope you enjoyed making these 3 cute and simple hair clips. And I'll see you again in the next video.